Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so I hope you all had a very nice day today. Even I had a very nice day today. So today is the 24th of March and we have many things that are going on. And today today we have, you can see that we have a guest with us today. So anyway, let's introduce her right now. Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Atmaja Kavya Bijo. I am studying in GEMS Millennium School, Sharjah, and I'm here because I've written a poetry book. It's a collection of poems. Its name is Flowing with the River.
So she's actually a very young poet. And anyway, so which school do you go to?
GEMS Millennium School, Sharjah.
Okay, so and which grade are you in?
I am right now. I just finished 6th. I'm going to 7th.
Okay, so what are your hobbies?
I prefer writing poems. I sometimes write short stories. I love reading, and yeah, writing and reading. They're my two basic hobbies.
Okay, so what type of books do you love to read actually?
I like reading mysteries, like there's Dan Brown books,
Okay.
which also has a lot of historical importance. And also there are books like The War of the End of the Worlds. I'm reading it right now. It's by Mario Vargas Llosa. It's a Nobel Prize winning book. I also like reading books about life, like The Narrow Road to the Deep North.
Okay,
by
so
Richard Flynn.
you like you like reading books like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and now I got to know that you have actually written many poems, a
Yes.
collection of poems, and you
collection.
published it.
Yes.
So what is the name of this book now?
This book's name is Flowing with the River.
Okay, so Flowing with the River. So actually, what is the reference of this name? Why this name?
By the river, I mean life.
So flowing with life.
Without any problems, without any tensions, just be happy. Go on.
Okay, so this is actually a book, right? Flowing with the river. Yeah. So you wrote a collection of poems. There are many poems that you wrote in this, and I happen to read many of them, and it's really very it's really nice. And you actually get these books in your nearby stores and
Yes.
online stores everywhere, right?
Yeah.
So now why don't you recite a short poem that you love from this book? Anyone?
I shall read An Atom in War's Midst. It's basically about a girl who is stuck in between the vast expanse of war. So
Okay, so actually basically the book is about a small little girl, and she's actually stuck between the vast expanse of wars.
yes.
Okay, so you can take your time and begin.
Okay. An atom in war's midst, an eruption of tears. Nay, it was bones, as thy fingers touch the burned tomes. Morning dew settles with smoke, as ruins fall on those who never woke. No matter how much Kai pleaded and cried, all it took was those men's strides. As screams echo, far away, long forgotten, they stay in thy ears, forever rotten. As beams flash and packets fall from what they call the gods stole, thou stand with fright, not knowing even at slight whose this was, this show of might. One tear rolls down thy ashen cheek, has crumbled, tortured bodies lay weak, ravaged and abused by many. They cry and cry, the tears by, to console the confused heart. What crime hast thou done? What dime didst thou pay to witness the scene of life's passing away?
Okay, a very beautiful poem indeed, right?
Thank you.
Okay, so actually, who influenced you to write these books, or maybe it's your own will, something like that?
I was inspired. Each poem has a different inspiration because I never planned to publish this as a book. When we realized I had written a lot, it was naturally published. So each poem, for example, this one was inspired by reading the different, the things, the wars that happened.
The Anne Frank story.
Yes,
all-
I have read that book, the Anne Frank's book. I was inspired by that, and each poem, when I see a woman down the street, there's a poem like that. So each poem has its own inspiration and its own creator.
Okay, so that's what influenced you to write all these beautiful poems, right? Okay, so what all what all awards have you been
I have won the Sheikh Hamdan Award in, I think, 2012. Yes.
Okay, so you have won the Sheikh Hamdan Award in 2012. So you must be going for many competitions for
Yes,
speaking,
yes.
inter-school competitions.
Yeah, I have gone for the Dela Youth Festival contest and the Wisdom Youth Festival contest. It's all of them are speech, recitation, writing. That's what I concentrate most in. I've also gone for the Credere competitions, reading aloud, and even math competitions also.
Okay, so anyway, before we go into more details, let's go for a call.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, hello. Hello.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
my name is Neha.
Neha.
Yeah.
Neha. So Neha, is this the first time you're calling me?
Sorry?
Is this the first time you're calling me?
Yeah.
Okay, so could you reduce the volume of your TV?
1 minute. Yes.
Okay. So anyway, Neha, which grade are you in?
I'm in 8.
You're in?
8.
You're in 8th grade. Okay. So Neha, which school do you go to?
I go to Indian school Ajman.
Indian school Ajman. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing, reading, writing books, singing, etc.
Writing books. Okay, so
Yeah.
we have a guest with us today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, even she is a very she's actually a young poet, a budding poet actually. So so what type of books do you like to write? What books do you write actually?
Emotional and based on relationships.
Okay, so emotional stories, sad type stories.
Yeah.
So have you written any poems?
Yes,
like-
most of my poems in the book are emotional and sad. Most of them. Many poems also speak about the lives of others.
Okay, so that these are your hobbies, right, Neha?
Yeah.
Okay, so Neha, what type of games do you like to play?
I like to play a group of games with friends.
Okay, so many games you like to play, right?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, let's go for a small game.
Okay.
So which game do you want to play, Neha?
Which all games are there?
I have GK questions, then riddle questions, spelling games, sentence making, dictionary, tongue twister, atlas, connection, many games.
Riddles.
Okay, so you want a riddle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, actually, maybe it's a little bit tricky, but anyway, you can try, okay?
Sorry?
No, so your question is actually, your riddle is, when we, actually you should tell me what is this thing. So when we want to use this thing, we throw it. But when we don't want it, when it is not in use, we keep it.
Fishing net?
Fishing net, correct answer. So how did you get the answer?
We used to play with my friends, so my friend asked me.
Okay, so it's a little bit tricky question, but still she got it right.
That's good.
Okay, so Neha, tomorrow also you'll call me.
Sorry?
Tomorrow also you'll call me.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Neha who called us, and anyway, let's get back to our guest. Okay, so you told me that you wrote many poets. So are you planning to write any books?
Books.
Short stories,
I
something?
plan to write books, but only when I grow up. So
Okay, so I heard that you like writing short stories.
yeah, short stories I've written
Okay.
a lot for my school, for schoolwork, and other than that,
Okay, so you actually you read many books, many poems, many things like that. So who is your favorite author?
author, like I told before, I like mystery books a lot. So I like Dan Brown, and I like emotional books. So I like Dan Brown, Richard Flanagan, mythological books by Rick Riordan. So these are they're like my favorite writers.
What about poets? What poets do you like?
Poets, I like W.B. Yeats and Sylvia Plath.
Okay, so many many good poets and many good authors. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello. 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 Okay, I guess the call had got dropped. Okay, so anyway, you told me you read many books. So at what age actually did you start writing poems?
I
And
started writing poems at the age of 8 and 9, and now I'm continuing till now.
okay, so how many books have you read so far? Like
So I don't count my books, but I think counting even the small books that I have read,
maybe
about
approximate
but maybe at least 400 books.
400
About
books.
400 books.
Okay, so that's a great achievement actually. 400 books. Nowadays children, they don't read that much books, right? So it's actually a very good thing that you're doing, because most of us kids don't enjoy reading that much. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, what's your name?
Jason.
I didn't hear your name.
Jason.
Jessel.
Yeah.
Okay, so which grade are you in, Jessel?
Yes.
Third grade.
Yeah, third grade.
Okay, so which school do you go to?
Huh?
Which school do you go to?
From Chandra School, Abu Dhabi.
Okay, so what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing and singing.
Playing and singing. Okay, so
Playing and dancing.
playing and dancing. Okay, so not singing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you go for any dancing classes or something like that?
What?
Do you go for dancing classes?
No. I don't
Okay,
know.
you just enjoyed dancing, right?
What?
Okay, so you enjoy dancing.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, Jessel, you tell me, your hobbies are playing, dancing, like that. So what do you play actually?
What?
What do you play?
I play the sports channel.
Sports. Okay, what sports?
Cricket and football.
Cricket.
That's my favorite sport.
Cricket and football, your favorite. So, you must have seen the match today, very good match, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, let's go for a game now.
What?
Let's go for a game now.
Yeah.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas. Okay, that's one of most of them who calls, they love Atlas actually. Okay, so anyway, let's begin.
Yeah.
So you start.
America.
America, Australia,
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, and Norway.
What?
Norway.
No way. Last letter?
Norway ends with Y.
Yes.
With Y.
Why? I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Anyway, it was a very good game, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Okay, Jashil, thank you for calling.
Uh,
Bye.
bye.
Okay, so that was Jessel who called us. And anyway, Atmaja, so you told me, you read many books, and now actually you are reading, you must be reading many books right now also. So what books are you reading now?
Right now, I'm reading The War of the End of the World. It's a Nobel Prize winning book by Mario Vargas Llosa. It's based on an apocalyptic movement led in Brazil.
Okay, so actually most of the books you like to read and like to write are based on, rights of humans, like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is a message you would like to pass on to the youth of now, through your books and your poems?
I believe that every living thing in this world has equal rights to live, because we should love all forms of life on earth, and we should respect them, we should honor them, we should try to protect them at our most, because we are humans and we are given the greatest powers on earth, so we should not misuse them. We should take care of the animals and everything around us. I have tried to spread that to my book in a few poems, and I want to grow up to be a child right activist, and also to join PETA to be to fight for animals.
Okay, so a very strong,
Yes.
message indeed. Okay, so anyway, Atmaja, you told me that you work towards animal rights also.
Yes.
So, what have you done in your life to prove this?
This I I used to be a non-veg. My family, everybody in my family is
Okay,
a
so you
non-vegetarian.
used to, you used to be a non-vegetarian.
Yes, but I think about the age of 9,
At the age of 9.
I turned to a vegetarian after witnessing the killing of animals for meat. I actually witnessed it in sight, and from that day I've stopped eating meat. And I also write a blog on the importance of animals.
Okay, so can you tell, can you share the blog with our friends?
It's atmajablog.com. It's based on animal rights.
Okay, so Atmaja blog, blog.com, right? So you can all go, you can go to your websites, you can read about, you can read more about this on your blog.
Yes, my
Right? And also, I told you about her book, right? Flowing with the River. So even, you can read that also. That's also very nice, very nice poem, right? Okay, so can you name some poems from your book actually, and give a brief description about it?
My favorite poems, I'll say the first poem, Evolution's Protocol. It's about life. It's basically about, like it states, it's about what we should do in life and what we should not. It's like we come to the world and then we start to believe in fake things. We do not believe in the true God. We do
Yes,
not-
we go according to what other people do,
other
and we
people
just
do.
follow the crowd.
Yeah, we just follow the crowd. And then there's I and Me. It's also about life, but it's about how life begins, how life ends. It's like how life comes into the soul, and then it dies, but then it comes back again. And then there is the atom in war's midst. So it's
So the
about
poem
God.
you just
Yeah,
read now. So
I
what's
just
the title of that once more?
The atom in war's midst.
Okay, so you can read all these poems in our new book, that is Flowing with the River. So when was this book published actually?
This book was published just recently, I think January 2015.
Okay, so January 2015. So it is a recent book. You can find it in your nearby stores and everywhere, right? Okay. So so you told me you like I and Me, many
Yeah.
So what is your favorite subjects in school? Most probably it'll be
English and mathematics.
and mathematics. Okay. So have you gone for any competitions related to maths, English?
English, like I told you, elocution competitions, writing competitions, speech competitions, and read aloud competitions. And for mathematics, I've gone for math quizzes. And then in school itself, we have ASSET, case examinations. I attend all those, and I've got good results.
Okay. So who has been a part of your life in all these things? You have your
Of course, my parents, who from the beginning, they are the one who nurtured me, inspired me, and encouraged me. But above that, and or equal to that, my principal sir of my
okay. So
school
your principal.
and my teachers of my school has encouraged me a lot.
So even your school has been a very
Yes,
huge part of
very
your
much.
life in writing.
Everything.
So would you like to take writing as your career when you?
Yes, of course, because I believe that a writer has the power to express herself. So I can express my animal rights, the child right, all those feelings I have in me. So like I told before, I want to join UN as a part of UNICEF, Child Rights Protection, and PETA.
Okay. So that's a really a really good thing that you're gonna do. So you would like to participate in the UN, UNICEF,
Yes.
everywhere. Okay. So what do you want to become when you become
the writer.
Yeah.
What kind of books?
What kind of books? What will you do after you become a writer?
After I become a writer, I want to spread this message more and more. So I wish to travel to different countries. Like there are uneducated people, so I wish to educate them, and I wish to eradicate the how children suffer these days.
Okay.
That's what I wish to do. So,
that's
I don't
what
prefer
you-
another profession.
Okay, so that's what you mainly wish to do, right? Okay, so anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
my name is Badra.
Badra. Okay, Badra, you called me before, right?
No,
Okay, maybe another Badra called me. Okay, so which school, which grade are you in?
grade 2.
Grade 2. Which school do you go to?
I go to Leaders Private School.
Okay, so where are you calling from right now?
I'm calling from Dubai.
Dubai, okay. So, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are doing puzzles and dancing.
Doing puzzles. Okay, what type of puzzles do you like?
Adventure puzzles.
Adventure puzzles. Okay, like that puzzles. So you like solving puzzles and things like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you sing a small song for me? A rhyme, anything works. A small rhyme.
Anything? I don't know any songs.
Okay, what about a rhyme?
I don't even know rhymes.
Okay, no problem. Next time, you can learn one rhyme and recite it for us.
Huh?
Next time you can recite a rhyme for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So Badra, what type of games do you like to play?
Tongue twister.
Tongue twisters and like that games, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now which game do you want to play?
Any game.
Any game. Okay. Then maybe we'll go for your favorite, I think. She told me that she liked tongue twisters. So let's go for a tongue twister.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell black background, brown background, 3 times really fast. Black background, brown
Black.
background,
Back.
black
Black.
background.
Black background. Black background.
Very good. Very fast. So, it is true. She's very good in tongue twisters. Okay, anyway.
Can I ask you a riddle?
Okay, so she wants to ask us a riddle. Okay.
One thing went to bath. When it was going to bath, it was slim. After it bath, it became fat.
Okay, so when it was going to bath, it was thin.
Okay.
When it went to bath, it was fat.
After it bath.
Okay, after it took a bath, it was fat.
Yeah.
Any idea?
Is it a towel?
No.
Is it a sponge?
No.
Because the sponge is like when
Yeah.
we have no idea.
Yeah.
I'll give you a clue.
Okay,
Okay.
a clue.
The clue is it's a food.
It's a food item. Food item absorbs the water. Okay, I have no idea actually.
Yeah, and I don't
The
know.
answer is pup.
We didn't hear you.
Puffs.
The answer is pup.
Puff.
Puppet.
Okay, okay. Okay, now I
Okay,
get
went
it.
for bath. Okay.
Okay, so now I get it.
Puppet.
Okay, now I get it. A very tricky question indeed. Okay, anyway, thank you for calling.
Bye.
And thank you for the riddle. Bye. Okay, so that was a small little girl called Badra who called us. And anyway, you told me, even Atmaja actually, we just gave her the topic just now, instant, and she wrote a beautiful poem with that topic. So, what was the topic that we gave you?
The topic was wind.
So, the topic we gave her was wind, and in 20 minutes or maybe less than 20 minutes, she wrote a wonderful poem on wind. So, why don't you recite that for everybody now?
The poem is I have not named it. It's Wind. The rustle of the leaves, to the music it believes. Our heart unfurls while mysteries curl. Thy soul is awakened, my memories forsaken. Let hearts be united, let voices blend, as our reasons fly away, so the music stays. For we go with the wind through the bow. So this is a simple poem based on wind. There's nothing much to understand there except it's very simple. The rustle of the leaves, to the music it believes. By music I mean the wind. The wind. So the leaves rustle when the wind.
Yeah,
goes
the sound that it creates.
yeah. The music it believes, and our heart unfurls. When we feel the wind, our heart is restored and we can rejoice, while mysteries curl. But secrets and mysteries, they curl up. They're still hidden. And thy soul is awakened, Just like our heart unfurls, your soul is awakened. It comes out. It's happy. And my memories forsaken. When I'm with the wind, I forget my memories. I leave them, though it was my responsibility to look after them. Let hearts be united. That means that love bloom, and let voices blend. Let us be together as our reasons fly away. So when you're with the wind, we don't need to think much. So our reasons fly away, though the music stays, but the wind still stays. For we go with the wind. That means we go with the wind. We cannot fight against it.
So just always be free and
Be
don't don't argue for everything.
Just like the name of the book suggests.
Yeah, flowing with the river.
So
Just flow with the river. Don't and others, maybe many people even try to put a stop to the river.
Yeah,
put a stop
exactly.
to our life.
Put a
So
stop.
just leave all that and be think optimistically.
So that's the end. For we go with the wind to the bow.
A very beautiful poem indeed. So, actually it's a very good poem, and I know that your parents have helped you a lot in everything
course.
that you do in your life. And thank you for being with us on Kiddo Kids, and also all the best for your future writing. And when we become big, maybe, best of luck if God wishes. And you can be a very famous writer or a poet, and we will be knowing you. We'll be reading books and poems of Atmaja. And anyway, I'm again wishing you a very very best of luck for your future, and thank you for being here with us. And anyway, I will be here with you. So anyway, let's go for a short break now. So stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.